Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I created these infant headbands for my niece. You guys, I think these are just super cute, super adorable. So if you want to know how I did these or see how I did these to get any ideas, stay tuned. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye. Alright, you guys, so to get started, you're going to need some elastic trim, and this is stretchy. This is going to be the headband. And to know how long you need to measure it, for 0 to 3 months, you will need to measure out 12.5 inches. For 4 to 18 months, you will need to measure out 14 inches. And for 18 months to 4 years of age, you will need 15.5 inches. So I measured mine out to be 14 inches, and I have my needle and my thread right here ready to go. So I also have these over here that I've already sewn together. So that's all you're going to do is pretty much just bring the ends up and then just go in with your needle and your thread and just do a few stitches, nothing fancy. Alright, and for the embellishment of the bow, I already have some 1-inch printed out little ideas here. So I'm going to go ahead and take my epoxy dots, and I'm just going to pretty much center them over this image and stick them down. I always get nervous when I do this. I don't know why, you guys. Alright, and then I'm going to press down on the other side just to get out any of the little air bubbles that may be in there. There we go. That looks a lot better. And then I'm going to go ahead and cut these out.